Hi, welcome to LinguaMeeting. Today we will walk through how to register and book your first session. You will first enter linguameeting.com/register, enter the class ID, or click the class URL provided by your instructor to create your profile. Choose session time and date and select your coach. Locate your class ID URL on the PDF your instructor shared with you. Create your profile. Enter your information and confirm your course information is correct. Then select your payment option. Select coaching dates and time. Select the coaching date for each session along with your time preference. Sessions must be booked 24 hours in advance and may be canceled 12 hours prior to the session time. Select your coach. Choose your coach depending on your preference. See coach details by clicking on their profile. When you are ready to book, click on a time slot with available slots. Click Yes to confirm. Select if you would like to book future sessions with this coach. Thank you for watching and welcome to LinguaMeeting.